Hey guys, so today's video is super random because we actually just got home from TJ Maxx. It's like 10:30 p.m. I mean, we got home like half an hour ago, but you guys know what I mean. But so my husband wanted to create his own beard oil because apparently he's obsessed with beards lately. And so we needed to buy a bunch of oils, and this is what we got, and we're going to experiment. And so we thought we would record it. So what did we get?
So for beard oil, you will need a carrier oil. So we're using castor oil, which is supposedly very good for hair and skin.
Yeah. So we already have that one. We got it from Amazon.
We're also going to be using some argan oil. And when we picked out the products, just look at the ingredients. Just make sure that it's a quality product. If you see in the ingredients water at all, just don't get it. It's just there to like make more of the product. It's not actually providing any sort of nutrients or anything to the product, so just no water at all. We also have some vitamin E pills. Vitamin E is great for the skin. So the whole point of beard oil is to moisturize the skin under your beard so you don't get dandruff or it's not itchy or flaky, and it's also good for the hair so it softens up the beard a bit. So we're going to put in some vitamin E in the mixture that we're making. So the next thing that we got was rosehip oil. Rosehip it tones, moisturizes, and softens the skin.
So I actually got the rosehip for myself because I'm running out of my Derma E one, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. So I thought I would get this to like replace the Derma E one, and so since I got it, we thought we would include it in the mix.
And then we also got this pack of Nature's Love essential oil blends. These are a few different oil blends that we're gonna try out and see which ones we like. And so, because when you're making a beard oil, part of it is just having fun with it and making sure that you get the scent that you want and for the purpose that you want. So I'm really excited to use this uplifting blend. It's cedarwood, juniper berry, and rosemary. So cedarwood and rosemary are very good for beard growth, and that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to use the beard oil, because my beard is a little bit patchy in some places, and I'm hoping that that plus all the skincare would help my beard hair grow a little bit thicker and just fuller. And cedarwood also smells really good with the rosemary and the juniper berries. It's 100% natural.
Yeah, so like he was saying at the beginning, like you could get like the individual scents, but if you do get a blend like we did, just make sure that it doesn't have anything that's like diluting the blend, like water or alcohol. You don't want any of that. These are blends, but the like what's in the blend is all oils, and it's all good oils, and that's why like we chose these. And so we also have these little bowls here because we're going to see what scent combinations we like best. So we're going to try a few like different scents. That's what we have these here for. But the main things are going to be basically like the castor oil, the vitamin E, and the rosehip, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the argan oil.
Yeah. We also do have a dark bottle. That's where you're supposed to put your beard oil blend, which I'm going to show you guys what we did with it. You have to like boil it and sanitize it and all of that. It has to be a dark bottle. Why? Can you answer that?
The dark bottle is so any type of sunlight or just natural light, even your home lights, they can go through the bottles, and the UV rays from those lights can it makes the beard oil last longer if it's in a dark bottle, because it blocks some of the sun rays just like your UV rays. So if you have your beard oil, you don't want to leave it out in direct sunlight, but just keep it in a dark place. So that's why we have the dark amber bottle.
Yeah, and that goes for like any type of essential oils. If you know anything about them, you know that you're supposed to keep them in like dark bottles because they're not supposed to get any like sun rays. And yeah, so make sure you have a dark bottle. You can find it, I'm not sure where, because we actually like bought another product at TJ Maxx because we couldn't find the empty bottle. So we just bought like something really cheap that had the bottle, emptied it, and then boiled the bottle for this purpose.
I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon. Links down below.
So the ones we like are which ones?
The Sweet Dreams and the Uplifting. So the Uplifting again has the cedarwood oil, the juniper berry oil, and it has rosemary. And then the Sweet Dreams has the lavender oil, the lang lang oil, and the sandalwood oil. So first, let's try mixing them both together.
Okay. How many drops should we do?
Let's do like, just to try it out, like maybe 5 drops on each.
That's a lot more than 5.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so when you guys do this at home, maybe try getting some pipettes.
So what?
Pipettes.
Pipettes? What's
Yeah,
that?
they're like the little droppers, but they're like plastic disposable ones.
Oh, okay. Okay. You know, yeah. I know what you're talking about. I didn't know that was the name for that.
Yeah, so links in the description down below.
For pipettes.
Would you like to add like maybe more of one type?
Yeah, maybe more of like the softer one, which I think is this one. Or maybe, what if we add the flowery one a little bit?
Okay, just
that
a
may
little
like
bit.
calm it down a little bit because it's a little too woodsy right now, I think.
Beautiful.
Oh, see, I got 3 drops. That's good.
It smells good, but I don't know. I think I want to put a little bit more of the uplifting.
Okay, all right, try that. Okay, yeah. No, yeah. So basically, so this is what we ended up doing, right? We did 2 parts of the uplifting. We did 1 part of the sweet dreams and then like half of the calming one, which I'm gonna put like all of the
Oils.
notes or all of the oils that like these 3 include. Like I'm gonna make a little list so you guys know if you plan to get them like individually, but we like this blend. So 2, 1 half.
Now we're going to try to extract the vitamin E from these vitamin E pills. So these are just like in the clear pill like thing. So we're just gonna like try to poke a hole in it.
Yeah, and you don't have to like use these. They sell vitamin E in like little bottles. I'm sure I've seen it at Target, but we had these already, so we thought let's just use these.
Okay, so in order to extract the vitamin E from the pills, we're just going to be using this needle. And what we want to do is just poke a hole on one end and then 1 hole on the other end so the oil can just flow in and air can come in and push the oil out easier. And
So also we completely forgot that we wanted to add a tea tree oil to the mixture, and so we're gonna do that now. But tea tree oil, the scent is very strong, so you want to be really careful with this. But it is really good for the skin. I actually use this on like my breakouts and stuff, and it's excellent for that. And according to my husband right here, it's really good for your beard hair, right?
yeah, and just for the skin under your beard. So having great skin, it's what promotes beard growth.
I would assume also since it's good for like breakouts, it should be good for like razor burn or maybe things like that. So I'm thinking that's why you do that. And also I think that this mixture, I could probably use it like for myself. If I had like any bald spots on my head or any of that, I know pregnant women like tend to lose hair and things like that. I don't know much about that, but I'm thinking I could probably use this on myself. Maybe just like leave it for a few hours and then wash it off. I don't know. I'm thinking anybody could use this.
We're just gonna put 2 drops, so 1, 2. I don't think we need any more tea tree oil.
It's very strong. Like, no, I know. I've been using it. It's crazy strong.
Now we're just gonna mix a few of the carrier oils in here. Wow, that tea tree is very strong. Just so we can get a better sense of what the final product would be like before we just make a big batch and just put it in the bottle. So for the rosehip oil, we have a dropper, so we're just gonna put in a few droppers of it. Then we're just gonna get the argan oil. And then we're gonna put our castor oil in it. Okay, so this is the mixture that we have, and now we're gonna start putting it into the amber bottle. And for that, we got this little funnel that I think you guys have seen in another video.
No, I haven't shown that, but I got it because I recently bought the castor oil to put on my brows and lashes. And so I bought like little mascara bottles, and that came with that.
Yeah, but I'm sure we can try to find something similar on Amazon.
Yeah, so after we put all of that in the bottle, obviously it's not gonna be enough. So we're gonna keep adding more of like the carrier oil and then all of these, but just again, just get like really creative with your scents. Put as little or as much as you want.
And it's a race I've created in my head, you know? But you have to step away from it.
Okay guys, so now we're just gonna finish off with the carrier oils. We're gonna fill it up as about as much as we're gonna make. We're gonna probably fill it up to right about here-ish. And then we're gonna put in some more essential oils so we can finalize the amount of scent that we want our beard oil to have.
Very manly.
So this is our final product. It smells very good. My hands are all oily.
All right, so this is it. We're done.
Yep.
All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see my husband in more videos, let him know because he doesn't like being on camera, but you guys just tell him.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.
Bye.